Welcome to the Faster, Easier, Better show. This podcast is short, fun, and jam-packed with good ideas that you can start using right away.
Welcome to another episode. I'm your co-host, Ellen, along with my co-host.
Just a minute. Just give me a minute. No, it's Lee. Lee Silver.
Lee.
But
Are you procrastinating?
Yes.
You're procrastinating.
In a good way, which is surprising to hear. You would think all procrastination is bad.
But
not
it's not.
Always. I know.
Not. You know, I like speak about, I write about how procrastination like just screws us up. But I will be the first to say that procrastination does have some merits and you can use it to your benefit.
The way I look at it is, I remember thinking, in school when you would just take a day or
taking a day? Do you mean like skipping school?
Yes, fine. I ditch school every once in a while.
Ditch school.
I know it sounds terrible when you say it like that, but
Or does.
But back in the day, the C's get degrees.
Anyhow, procrastination. Hello.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, right. I was just exemplifying that.
Yes, you were.
That was a good
okay,
example.
So
anyway, I would skip school and I would think everything is better. The Slurpee tastes better. the beach is better. Everything's better. And then we get like a day off, like the teachers, I don't know, they were taking some sort of class or something and we had it off. I'm like, everything I did when I ditched was more fun. So I feel like, what if we gave ourselves maybe a ditch day or a procrastination hour and feel like you
Those
are
are two
kind of
different things.
Yeah, good point.
You can take a day or an hour. Nothing in between.
But you know what I'm saying?
I do.
Take the time when you're not supposed to and see what happens. Do an experiment and see if the sky isn't bluer and the birds aren't chirping, your favorite song. But it just has a better feeling when it's something you shouldn't do and you're doing it. And hopefully you come back refreshed and you come back energized, renewed, and anything else that starts with a re.
Well, I think when you do that, let's say you've got stuff you have to do, but you choose your own agency and say, yes, I'm going to do what I want to do. It does feel good. I mean, it's like I'm having a chocolate sundae at 1 PM and no one can stop me. It's that kind of feeling. I'm taking this hour. I'm taking a day just for me. I'm putting stuff off. And like you said, the amount of renewal that it gives you is worth the time that you procrastinate. I truly believe that.
Yeah, it's like what did you say? Drive it like you stole it?
Oh, yeah, because if you've got a holiday and everybody's got the holiday, it's like you said, it's kind of like, oh, well, we're all in this together. But if you take a day that's just like, I'm just not going in. I'm taking one of my days off or however you're going to do it. But you know what? You're going to seize it. And I did say, drive it like you stole it. Enjoy the hell out of that day. Do all those things that, maybe you shouldn't be doing. I should be working on my manuscript. But you know what? I'm going to the zoo. And I'm going to have an ice cream sundae.
At 1 o'clock.
At 1 o'clock.
Definitely 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. There might be another one at 3 o'clock. Who cares? Yeah, I'm procrastinating with style and grace.
Well, it does come back to, I think, at the end of a year, you should take some time and just reflect on, okay, what worked? What can I improve on? And what am I going to do next? And if you just do that, in little bits and pieces, or I mean, really get away from everything.
Right, we talked about.
I know,
that.
and just
but that's a whole episode on
your procrastination day could be eating ice cream and going to the zoo, which is fine at any time you want. Or you can use it as a time to, recalibrate and think about, okay, I want to make.
Why not both?
Oh man, always so good at this. I say things and you make them better.
Why do we have to be binary on this?
You're right.
No,
I'm
we
with
could
you.
do it.
You're right.
And then, stepping away from the whole procrastination day, maybe a procrastination hour, like you said, that you spend an hour doing things that you want to do, knowing at the end of the hour, then you have to jump in to what you have to be doing. But giving yourself the reward before you actually do the thing. Talk about mixing it up.
That is mixing it up. It's
it's not something that
but it's good.
I know it's not something you want to do every day, but every once in a while, you procrastinate, or you procrastinate with a purpose,
Right.
and that is okay. If I'm not going to work on this, then I'll do this other thing. So I'm procrastinating on my first project by doing the second one. You can make procrastination work for you.
Yeah. I mean,
You really can.
we might
Take
have to
the
put a
day.
label on this episode. Surgeon General says procrastination can be hazardous to your health, but
Or it can be great.
Enjoy your ice cream.
One thing you shouldn't procrastinate on is making sure that you hear every episode of our show. So be back with us again next week for our next episode.